Is your smartphone of iPhone broken? Don't worry, we at NCC offer a wide range of repairs of any kind of damage. From a broken screen to a replacement battery, we will take care of them all. We promise to give you the best service, which we guarantee that you will be dancing your way out. NCC offers repairs to all makes of cell phones, tablets, iPads, and laptops. That's us. We offer a warranty and full money-back guarantee on all repairs, even on liquid damaged devices. Why? Because we are confident of the work we do. Just remember that most cellular stores won't even give a warranty on liquid damaged devices. Phone insured? Not sure what to do? Afraid of the paperwork? No problem. We will assess the device and submit the relevant documents to the insurance company. If it cannot be fixed, we will offer a replacement. Let us do all the work for you. Repairs take between 45 minutes to a day, depending on availability of the spares and the type of repair being done. Wide range of cellular accessories, free quotations, fast and friendly service. We collect and deliver. We are in business for more than 12 years. We've got to be doing something right. Like us on Facebook for special offers and discounts. Visit our website for online quotations and more info. And contact us today.